Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how I made a birdhouse with a creative shape, a drop of rain. I received some scrap wood out of a wood company and now I can glue them all together so I'll have a panel. I'm using water resistant glue. Now that the glue is dry, I can join it flat and plane it to the right thickness. Then I can cut out the shape on the bandsaw. I'm using double-sided tape to attach the two panels to each other, so I'll have the correct same pattern on both sides. Sand the shape smooth, but be aware that it's not too smooth, because otherwise the glue won't stick to it. Drill a hole with a Forstner bit for the bird you want to attract to your birdhouse, and drill a smaller hole so you can hang it up. Now that the front and back panel is ready, I can focus on the roof slats. I made these out of oak. It's some really reclaimed wood, a lot of warping, so a lot of planing to do. Once I was ready planing it down to the right thickness, I can cut them to length. My dad and I set a jig on the table and now we can assemble it easy. To attach each slat I'm using wood glue and a headless pin. Senko was kind enough to send me this nailer to support my project of making toys and decorations for charity. Thanks, Senko. now it's time to drill some holes in a few of the slats so I can screw them on, so each year the birdhouse can be emptied and cleaned out. And after the screwing, we can go back to nailing in the pins. I forgot to sand the hole smooth, so that's what I'm doing here. And oh yeah, also be aware that the inside panel where the hole is for the birds, it may not be too smooth. For the upper slat I tilted the bandsaw a bit and cut a few pieces. Some hand sanding to finish and round over all the sharp edges, and then I was ready to put some finish on it. To finish, I used Rubio Monocoat Woodcream transparent. It's really easy to apply. Keep wiping it on until you have no streaks and let it dry. That's it, only one coat. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in one of my other videos. Bye!